Hello family, and thanks for stopping by. Today on the menu I have healthy meatloaf. And here are the ingredients. I have bell pepper, chopped onions, I have chili sauce, 2 eggs, I have some oatmeal that I've ground up in my, oh goodness, food processor. I'm sorry. I have some Parmesan cheese. I have 1 pound of ground beef, 90% lean and 10% fat. Over here I have some zucchini. I have some pepper, some celery, and some garlic. And this is what we'll do next. In this pan, I'm going to add some olive oil, just a little bit. And then we're going to add our onions, cook them till they're tender, along with some bell pepper, some celery, I'm going to cook that for a minute or so. Every now and again we have to, well, more than every now and again, but more often we have to try to eat healthier. All the other stuff is good and yummy, but it's not so good for us. So to try to balance it out, well, I try, half of the way to eat healthy, maybe, and the other half enjoy. Totally up to you. I just thought I'd share this dish with you. We're going to cook this for about another minute or so. And on to the next step. Now I'm going to add my garlic. And you're going to just stir that around until you can smell it. After that's done, you're going to set it aside. Take it off the heat and set it aside. And to my ground beef, I'm going to add some zucchini that I've grated. I'm going to add some of the oatmeal that I've grinded up. Some pepper. No salt because we have the Parmesan, which has never hurt anyone. A little bit of Parmesan, never hurt anyone. And I'm going to add my chili sauce. And my eggs. And I have set on the side some 2% milk just in case it needs a little more moisture. But right now we're going to just mix this a little. Oops. Going to add our vegetables. And just mix this together. You don't want to beat it up too bad. Just want to make sure it's all mixed. Add some more oatmeal. Today was nice and warm. The sun wasn't shining too bright, but it was nice and warm. It was pleasant. Don't know how long that's going to stick around though. Gonna add some more. This is only a cup. This is about the way we want it. I'm going to add a little more Parmesan cheese. And maybe some more zucchini. Okay, I'm going to get my pan and spray it with some non-stick spray. And we're going to put it in there. Okay, I've sprayed my pan. We're going to add our ground beef. You just put it in, you kind of mold it to the pan. And I have my oven heated at 400. And we're going to cook it. I don't know exactly how long, but you'll know. I'll tell you about how long I cooked it when I come back. Whoops. Okay. And into the oven. You know what? I think I'm going to add some chili sauce over the top. There you go. If you like more, then just add more. Just a little glaze. It'll get nice and shiny when it's done. And into the oven. And there you have it. Healthy meatloaf. And on the side I've added some yellow rice with corn, which is also good for you. No trans fat, low fat, and cholesterol free. I'm sorry. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed your company. And don't forget to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for them. Pray for you, pray for us, then pray again. Don't stop praying. It's all that we have, a hope and a prayer. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Be well, friends. Later.